Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing, unbagging. The bag came open. There were two items and I already took one out, and now we have the one I'm really excited about. I was excited about both of these things, but this was a really good deal for Amazon Prime. So this is a sketchbook by Beechmore Books. It's an art sketchbook. It has 156 pages. It's 8 inches by 8 inches. And before we keep going, let's just open this sucker up and look at it. So it's regular $34.34, and I got it on sale for $9.99 or $9.95. Under $10 anyway. And I'm trying to open this without breaking the book itself, like the cardboard. Okay. There we go. It is off. So one of the first things that I really like about this is how giftable this is. This would make a beautiful gift for someone who loves sketching. It comes in a beautiful book. It comes in a beautiful box, as you could see. And it's got Beechmore Books London on it. So right away, that makes it so, nice to give as a gift. And let's open this up. Actually, let's put this over here. So it says here, Beechmore Books London, and it says, I never travel without my diary. One should always have something sensational to read in the train. Oscar Wilde. Okay, and let's take this out carefully. I don't want to wreck it. And it's wrapped in tissue paper. And it says Beechmore Books. So it's like already wrapped as a gift. It's such a nice gift. If I would have known this was so nice, I would have bought two. And I would have gifted one to my little niece who really loves art. Unfortunately, they must have had a limited supply sale. It's gone already, even though it's still Prime Days. So let me just put this paper aside and put the box aside. So then it says Beechmore Books Sketchbook, and it tells you all about it on the front. So it's calling it vegan leather. This used to be called pleather when I was young. And I like that it's not real leather. I like that it is animal friendly. And at the back it says sketchbook, your planner, your rules. It talks about it. And you can see it's got the name, Beechmore Books London, embossed at the bottom. I'm just going to take this off now. And this is a beautiful, beautiful book. So it says it's 8 inches by 8 inches, but I don't understand how it could be 8 inches by 8 inches, because it's taller than it's wide. So I think they might have made a mistake on the Amazon site. So let's get out one of my rulers. So this is closer to, it's just under 12 inches. So here's the 12. So it's like 11.5 inches. By 8.5 inches. So yeah, they were totally wrong about that. So 11.5 by 8.5 inches. And I think it said that right on the cover somewhere. It might have. Yeah, I think right here. It measured. Anyway, it's got the Beechmore Books label down here again. It's got a room to make you could write your name or the title or whatever you want. The date. And the pages are thick, but not like watercolor thick. Now, in the ad, it does say that this is watercolor safe, but a few of the reviewers have said no, it's not. Now, the pages can be pulled out. There's perforations. I don't know if my camera will pick it up, but they're perforated pages, so you can tear them out as you use them. But one thing that people said is really nice is that it does lay flat. So if you want to do a double page spread, but this is a huge book. It's got a pocket at the back. It's got a big pocket. Can you see that? There's a nice big pocket. And it's got this to hold it closed or to hold it open to whatever page you're using. Can you see that? It's hard to see because it's the same color. If I put my hand under it, you could see it better. Anyway, I really, really love this a lot. And it's regular $34.34, like I said, and I got it for $9.95 or $9.99. And it comes in different colors. So I chose the chestnut brown, but it also comes in black and charcoal and green. It comes in a light tan style, a blue, and a purple. And the purple costs more. The purple's $46.91. So you have to be careful when you click on the different ones. They're different prices. Like right now, the tan colored one is on sale for $33.95. It's got an 8% off, and it says it was regular $36.95. The green is also on sale for $33.95. But the really cheap price, I think, was a limited time deal. So, and it was in this beautiful brown color, chestnut brown. I really love it. Now the reviews, there's a 504 4.9 star reviews. 93% of the reviews are five star, like a solid 5 star. 5% of the reviews are 4 star. 1% of the reviews are 3 star, and 1% are 2 star. There are 0 1 star reviews, and the majority are 5 star. Now, the reason why I think some of them got lower stars is because in the ad, it shows watercolor. It shows that this is okay for watercolor. I would not use this for watercolor. I think it would be okay maybe for gouache. If you're not doing like a watery gouache, if you're doing like a thicker, more opaque thing, I'm pretty sure it would work for that. It would definitely work for pencils, pens, maybe marker. I don't know if markers would bleed through or not. But for that price, I thought I couldn't resist. Like, that was such a good deal. I think it was 43% off that I got on that. Let me click. Like, the sale is gone, so I can't tell you the percentage that I got off. I can just tell you what I paid. So, yeah, $9.95 is what I paid. So that was an incredible bargain. I think it was like 43 or 45% off. So this is a really thick book. It's got lots and lots of pages. I think 156 pages it says. And it says it's 160 GSM. Here, let me read what it says to you. It says, what's inside the box? Each large notebook comes with 156 pages or 78 sheets of luxurious thick paper. The crisp ivory cream pages are resistant to bleed through, ink erasing, ghosting, and shading. At 160 GSM, or thicker than most paper, ensures each page remains pristine, engineered to perfection. Talks about the binding, but it keeps saying it's an 8 by 8 square. It's not. Perfect gift, British design, exceptional quality. And I can tell you what some of the reviews say, if you're interested. I don't know if you're interested. Here's one person who just recently got this, said, actually shocked at the quality. She said, I honestly doubted the excellent reviews. How could this journal be so great for such a good price? But it arrived in its lovely gift box, and I have to say, it's one of the nicest sketchbooks I've tried, if not the nicest. Durable cover, lays flat, quality paper, it looks exquisite all over, and reasonably priced. Yeah, everyone's just raving about it. So I will leave the link below if you want to see. I apologize that even even though I'm just opening this a day after ordering it, the sale is already done. So you're not going to get that sale, but you never know. Maybe it'll go on sale again. Anyway, that is it for this. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, and all of those good things that help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. Bye, guys.